Over here it is given that if two vectors, that is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap and another vector minus 4 I cap minus 6 j cap minus lambda k cap are parallel to each other, then the value of lambda will be. So this concept is related to a vector dot b vector. There we discussed that if two vectors are parallel, like if you are having a vector a vector, take it as it's x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, and another vector take it as b vector, which is x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. And if a vector is parallel to b vector, then in cross product we discussed that the value of x1 by x2 should be equal to y1 by y2, that should be equal to z1 by z2. So we need to use the same concept over here. That is, you can observe that the x component over here is nothing but 2 divided by minus 4. That should be equal to nothing but 3 divided by minus 6. That should be equal to nothing but minus 1 divided by minus lambda. So we can observe that this 1 divided by minus 2 from the first part, this 2 and this 4 get cancelled, so 1 divided by minus 2 should be equal to 1 divided by lambda. So you can write the value of this lambda is going to be minus 2. So the value of lambda over here should be equal to minus 2. So according to the given question, the value of lambda should be equal to minus 2, or its magnitude should be equal to 2.